Hi, welcome to this chapter, The Unknown Mouse in AutoCAD. In this video, I will explain basic uses of mouse and advanced control of mouse in AutoCAD. Stay with me till the end. In standard mouse, 3 buttons are available. Left click button, right click button and scroll. We will get multi-button mouses also that will have DPI control button and some more additional buttons that can be customized and assigned to any of commands in AutoCAD. Left click button. It will specify the point on the screen and it will help us to select the object on the screen. Right click button. It is a multifunction button, behaves differently in different conditions. If you directly right click on the screen, a list of options will display. It is having repeat reset command, recently used commands, copy paste options and other quick commands. If you select the object and right click, it will add modify commands to the list of selected object. And right click on any Windows component, it will display the customization option. Customize right click button. Right click can be customized based on the user preference. Go to options. In user preference tab, we have right click customization option. If you turn off this sensitivity, this enables quick right click for enter and a long press for shortcut menu. Next we find default mode, edit mode and command mode. This will assign the right click with repeat last command or shortcut menu in 3 different scenarios. Scroll button. Forward and reverse movement of the scroll will control the zoom in and zoom out of the object in the workspace. Long press and drag will pan the drawing. Double click will perform zoom all command. It will fit all the objects in the workspace into the screen. Zooming speed and direction of wheel rotation. Zooming speed and the direction of wheel rotation can be controlled by changing the system variable. First one, zoom factor. This will control the zooming speed. Here we can set the value from 3 to 100. Minimum value will reduce the zooming speed. Maximum value will increase the zooming speed. Second one, zoom wheel. This will control the direction of wheel rotation with zoom in and zoom out. This value can be 0 or 1. 0 will zoom the object for forward movement of the scroll. 1 will zoom the object for reverse movement of the scroll. Combination of mouse with control and shift. Left click button. This is not assigned to any of the keyboard keys and there is no option available to assign this with the keyboard keys. Right click button. This button is assigned to control, shift and control plus shift to enable snap mode. Here 3 combination will give us the same result. This can be customized by CUI, Customize User Interface. In Customize tab, expand mouse button, then shift plus click. Button number 2 is a right click button. It is combined with snap mode. Button 3, it stands for scroll. It is combined with transparent orbit. Don't change these 2 combinations. Expand the next one, control plus click. Here button 2 and button 3 is same as the shift combination. To change this combination, here in the search bar, search for the command you want to assign. Select and drag that command and place it on button 2. In the same way, you can change other combinations also. Last one is scroll. This button is combined with control, shift and control plus shift. Control plus click will execute pan command. Shift plus click will execute orbit command. Control plus shift plus click will execute orbit command. You can customize these three combinations as you did for right click button. In this video, I have explained complete detail about mouse and its control in AutoCAD. If you have any doubt and suggestions, please write in the comment box. Thanks for watching till then. Take care. Bye bye.